we've noticed that lots of people actually use these opportunities to set up businesses. We know that you've got an online business with pcbpanel.co.uk. How does that work in line with your Minitron business?
Well, a lot of people look on the internet for businesses, and they like to be able to get a product, see a price, order it and be done with it, which is what PCB Panel offers. It offers a very low cost entry to get a PCB prototype, which then Minitron can take on to the full volume production. It works really well. So if you want a panel in 5 days, you're talking about £80 there or thereabouts for a PCH panel, and that's second to none in the UK.
And do these people know that you actually do have all this experience with Minitron? You actually do let them know that it is part of the Minitron business?
Well, what can happen, you can get the prototype, which gives you that understanding that your product is going to work. Then that gets moved over to us for production. We use all the experience that we have to make sure that you've got the best possible route into the market with the product, be that for volume or for assembly, all those different elements we can then take care of.
So you basically do it from, you provide a service from design right through to manufacture?
Yes, exactly.